Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make kofta kebab. So I'm going to start off by showing you the ingredients. First, you're going to need 2 pounds of ground beef. And then you also need about 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 large bunch of parsley, about half of a jalapeno, and 1 potato, 1 large garlic clove, and then about half of a large onion. And then you're also going to need some skewers. I'm going to be making this on the grill. I have the jumbo bamboo skewers. And now we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first step is to take off the stems off the parsley and wash your parsley very well and then drain. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and chop the parsley in the food processor. But I just wanted to say that we were going to be adding a little bit of onion just to make the parsley a little smoother when putting it in the food processor. After about 30 seconds of mixing, I'm going to go ahead and just push down whatever is on the sides and then blend again. This is how you want the parsley to be. And now we're just going to go ahead and take this out and place it on top of the ground beef that we've placed in a tray. Next, we're going to go ahead and chop half of an onion in the food processor. And you don't have to clean out the food processor because it's all going to get mixed in together anyways. And this is how you want the onions to look. Make sure that you don't blend it for way too long or else it'll get really watery. And we went ahead and added the onions on top of the parsley. And I just want to mention, if you do see that the onions are a little watery, just squeeze it out. I did see that my onions were a little watery, so I just squeezed the water with my hands out, and I'll show you the plate. This is how it's going to look once you squeeze the water out of the onion. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and mix the potato and half of the jalapeno. Now, the purpose of the potato is to make the kofta kebabs softer and more tender. And while that's blending, we're going to go ahead and also add the garlic clove. And this is how it should look like once it's all blended. And again, if you feel like that's too watery, you can go ahead and just squeeze the water out before you add it to the ground beef. And now we're just going to go ahead and add the 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 2 teaspoons of salt and just mix everything together very well. And this is how it would look like once everything's mixed in. And now we're just going to go ahead and put this on a skewer. Now, I'm going to be showing you 2 ways how to make this. The first way is like this on the skewer, and I'm going to be showing you another way without the skewer, which I actually prefer the way without the skewer better. I feel like the kofta comes out more tender that way. Once you have the meat on the skewer, if you would like to make like a little design, you can just go ahead and just squeeze your fingers around like this. Just going to go ahead and show you the second way. So over here I have a knife sharpener. You can get anything that's shaped like this. You just make sure it's a little thick. You don't want it to be too thin or else the kofta will fall off. It won't hold on to it. And now we're just going to go ahead and shape it into a kofta kebab shape, and then we're going to be taking it off and just placing it on a plate. Okay, so we went ahead and shaped our kofta kebab, and now we're going to go ahead and grill it on 450 degrees on the grill for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. So we went ahead and grilled our meat for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side on a 450 degree temperature on the grill, and now they're ready to serve. I'm going to be serving this with some grilled vegetables and white jasmine rice. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe.